You know that one ad is creative, the one that's just crushing it, your undisputed champion. For us, that ad was the benchmark, and every new creative we launched just couldn't measure up. Then the inevitable happened: creative fatigue. Our audience saw the ad so many times they just started scrolling right past it. Our return on ad spends completely plummeted. We were convinced nothing could ever top our best performer. But what if an AI-generated ad could perform 3 times better? I'm going to pull back the curtain on how we built an AI ad from scratch that completely changed our creative strategy. So, let me set the scene. We had this one video that was, for the longest time, the gold standard for our brand. It was a beautiful story-driven spot that connected with our audience and converted like crazy. It was the engine powering our growth. But no creative lasts forever. At first it was slow, but then the numbers just cratered. Our click-through rates dropped off a cliff. This is classic creative fatigue. Our creative team was burning out trying to find the next big hit, and we were burning cash. The pressure was on to find a fix, fast. This is where we decided to try something a little different. What if a native UGC-style ad, built with AI, could feel more authentic and reconnect with our audience? The experiment began, but this wasn't about just telling an AI to make an ad. This was about human strategy paired with machine execution. First up, the script. We took our all-time best performing ads, broke them down, and analyzed every hook and script. We pinpointed the exact emotional triggers and pain points that always hit home. Then, we fed all that data to a language model to spit out 10 different script variations in a casual UGC voice. Second, the creator. Using an AI platform, we generated a presenter that looked and felt completely authentic. The goal was to create a relatable person you'd actually expect to see in your feed. We generated dozens of variations to test. Finally, production. We paired our AI presenter with B-roll and used AI for the voiceover and captions. The game changer was speed. This case study shifted how we approach advertising. What are your thoughts? Have you tried using AI? Let me know below. We set up a straight-up A/B test. Our old champion versus our scrappy new AI generator UGC challenger. Same budget, same audience. The results were immediate. While our old ad continued to flatline, the AI ad just took off. The numbers were staggering. After only a week, the AI ad had a click-through rate that was nearly double our old creative. Our cost per acquisition was sliced in half, and the AI ad delivered 3 times the return on ad spend. A total knockout. So, why did the AI ad demolish our best ever ad? We think it boils down to 3 things. First, authenticity beat production value. The UGC format felt real and trustworthy. It stopped the scroll. Second, we were data-driven. We let proven data on our best hooks guide the creative process instead of just intuition. And third, the real win came from iteration. The power to rapidly test dozens of ideas is the new unfair advantage. A process that usually takes weeks was crunched down, letting us create 5 distinctive versions in a fraction of the time. The future of creative is a hybrid model. Smart marketers leveraging AI for speed while using human expertise for strategy. If you want more data-backed deep dives, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. If you enjoyed this, hit like, follow AI Side Hustle Academy for daily ideas, and share this with a friend.